one thing that we have to do, first and foremost, before the internet hates us for just making it the most prolonged task ever.
We don't need the internet to hate us.
We don't, so we have to get all this.
Oh yeah. It's a mess.
But think about the mess that it won't be.
We are gonna have to take Breaking Bad
Off. Okay.
Turn it off. So we'll take this over here.
And you want these movies? Oh, yeah, let me get this. Well, we got the TV on there so far.
Oh, recording is
yeah. Okay, recording.
Is there? Oh my God, you're so fast. Why are you so fast at that?
Years of practice, my friend.
Good God.
Years of practice.
You literally just turned it on.
I know. We got the TV up there, and that just looks sexy.
Yeah, look at that.
That
Man.
just looks good.
This isn't my first rodeo. Funny thing, I went to a rodeo one time.
Yeah.
Actually, I've been to two. But the first time I went there, yes, only to say that this isn't my first rodeo. That's the only reason I went to the first one.
That's great.
Did you ever hear about that deaf guy?
No.
He didn't either.
What's that? Oh, a charger?
Yeah, remember that charger that I didn't have? And I went and bought on Amazon 2 chargers? Yeah.
Hmm.
There it is.
Yeah. Here it is. Got it all set up. Nice and looking nice. Yeah. So what do we decide to do now?
We're gonna hang some guitars.
Yeah, we are. We're gonna hang one there, and then we're gonna hang one there. Alright, so before we get the whole thing set up with the guitars and whatnot, take a little break to get some food. And what you cooking over here, buddy?
I've got some eggs, some thick cut bacon.
Thick cut bacon, cool.
In the oven on 400, and I'm going to do that for about 30 minutes.
Nice.
And then I was like, man, that is not enough, because we're going to be making burritos again.
Yeah.
So I got shrimp.
Oh, we got some shrimp.
Yeah.
It's a little frozen right now.
It's totally frozen. It does need to go down because I don't want it to burn.
So you guys get a little taste of what we're going to be tasting on.
And I love to make my eggs like this because there's so much flavor packed into like every little bite.
Right.
So like there's milk and parsley and garlic and of course salt. Yeah, let me give this one like a good stir.
Okay.
I want to turn it down a little bit.
Alright. I'm going to go find this.
Just let them like
Alright.
thaw out.
Alright. I'm going to get the guitars.
Okay.
Get the other guitar.
Alright.
Alright. Look at that. From here.
That looks sick.
Oh no. Sweet. You guys were asking if the goal of this vlog is to make you hungry. Yes, it is. Gosh. Because I wish you guys could smell it. Tell me what you did yesterday.
Okay. Well, I stayed up a little late because we were doing things.
You went to bed earlier than you have all week.
What?
You did? Remember you all excited about it? You're like, oh, it's like 7:30. I want to go to bed.
Okay, so I slept longer. Okay, so I woke up at like 1:30 and I was like, oh, I could sleep longer. So I went back to sleep and then woke up at 4:15.
Yeah.
I usually am leaving for work at 4.
So what are you not gonna do today?
Oversleep. What's this bacon look like? Oh my god!
That's hot.
Time to turn it.
Turn it and burn it. Why don't you show us all what's in this burrito?
You got your shrimp, your bacon, your eggs, and your delicious cheese.
Right.
I want to see what it tastes like.
Taste test.
I want to get a bite where everything's in it. Oh, that's every bite.
Yep. That did it. It's the money shot. With the ghetto.
Yeah.
I like it.
Not used to having a cameraman, are you? Not used to having a cameraman.
I am. It's usually better. Just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, don't. And that was the last.
I'm locking you in.
So, guys, in the comments, let us know what you think about the setup. Give this video a like if you like our new setup. Comment, let us know what else you think we could do, because we need ideas for this wall.
Come outside and look through the door. What would you want to see when you walk through the door?
Boom. What would you want to see?
It's not yellow.
Right there. It's not yellow, it's just the lighting. We need to get better lights.
Yeah.
So yeah, let us know in the comments if you guys have any ideas for things we could do here, or more things we could do in this area. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow.